In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can delete all emails from one sender here in Gmail. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. With all notifications on, it really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But essentially, go ahead and open up Gmail and locate an email from the sender that you want to delete. You can scroll through your inbox or you could search for the sender up at the top. Let's just say I want to delete it from this account right here. Essentially, go ahead and right click on the sender's name, just like so. It's going to pull up a page that looks like this, where you're going to want to go ahead and select find emails from that sender. It's going to show you every single email ever sent from this. And this is just like a bunch of thumbnail files I have, right? All you need to go ahead and do is select all the emails from that sender by hitting this little checkbox right here. And then from here, just head this delete box right here. After deleting them, go to this more section, go into your trash, and then go ahead and select it all again, and then go ahead and select delete forever, and you're good to go. It really is as simple as that. That is how you can delete all emails from one sender here in Gmail. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.